I think if there's one word students attach to modern Europe, it's empathy. And that might seem strange. How different are Europeans than Americans? It's kind of the same thing, just colorful money and different ways of plugging in your iPad, right? But I think it doesn't take long in the semester to realize that there is a real imaginative leap, that these are moderns, but they're not quite the same. We start with 18th century French peasants who tell stories to scare their children, and workers who torture cats. And before you know it, we're in the Victorian age with a frustrated housewife who feels trapped and confined in a life that has very few opportunities open to our women students. By the end of the 19th century, we're talking about a young French student who becomes an anarchist, throws a bomb into a cafe, and before you know it, it's the 1940s, and we're in the forests of Poland with The Ordinary Men of Christopher Browning's book, German military police reserves who are killing Jews as part of the final solution. And we have to, by then, ask ourselves, what do we have in common with these people? What brings them to that point? What makes them European? What makes them modern? And so I think it's a real stretching thing that students might not expect, but a deeply transformative process too. And it leaves you with this capacity maybe to imagine the world as other people see it, and maybe to live with some of the complexity we encounter in the modern age of European history. So it's my favorite class to teach. I've done it since I've got here, and hope I see a lot of you in the class.